The DJI Phantom. It's funny to me that the most active drone on the market for years was the one that I have the least experience with. However, when I was preparing my first seminar in 2014, Molla of FlyWorx brought out the DJI Phantom 2 to film the projects that I needed. He shared with me his knowledge of the drone and how it worked, and we even flew an autonomous mapping mission of the property I was looking at. That was really my one and only time of having a real personal experience with the Phantom. My good friend Lewis sent me footage of his Phantoms to use in my seminar, and that's what I like about the drone industry. It's the collaboration. The Phantom was the first commercially usable drone as it was introduced in January of 2013. With the stability of the gimbal, it changed the aerial video landscape. Now, DJI's on the Phantom 4 Pro version. It is a workhorse drone. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 Quadcopter sells for $1,899, or you can upgrade it up to $8,419.